the sharp whine of the saw, the crack as wood splits, and a cloud of sawdust. These are the sounds of precision. Today we'll dive into joinery, turning raw wood into a functional masterpiece. Observe the tree's lean and root system. It suggests imminent collapse.
Whoa!
Structurally, this house is compromised. My assessment? Further deterioration is inevitable, likely leading to demolition. Barber chairs are every logger's nightmare. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a rookie, these can be seriously hazardous. Remarkable, the vehicle's center of gravity appears to be expertly manipulated. Allowing it to maintain equilibrium despite the incline. Welcome to Hull Oaks, where history runs deep. They used to run on steam. Can you believe that? Had to make the switch to electricity though. What a change. Now they're the go-to for rare boat parts. Oh, and by the way, that's not a boat hook, it's a peavey. And just look at the size of that timber. Now asterisk, that's asterisk a tree. Let's face it, we can't control everything. Mother Nature has her own plans. But hey, that doesn't mean we're powerless. We can definitely make smart choices and take responsibility for our actions. That tree is ablaze, a tragic loss, but also a serious hazard. Firefighters act fast, removing anything flammable to stop the wildfire in its tracks. No fuel, no spread. Life's a wild ride, full of ups, downs, and unexpected turns that keep you guessing. You never know what's around the corner.
Ahí está, güero. Soltá ese, Mariano. Ya no, ya no.
Whoa, hold on a minute. This is a major safety fail. No chaps, no eye protection, no helmet. This guy's tempting fate. Remember, folks, safety first. Wow, the Carlton SP 7015 grinder is an absolute monster. With its massive 70-inch blade and turbocharged diesel engine, it demolishes stumps effortlessly. You've got to see this beast in action to believe it.
This cedar isn't just a tree, it's a monster, a living monument to nature's power.
Massage that sucker. Okay.
With a 10-foot diameter, it's a giant, and the logger is practically swallowed by it. This isn't luck. Cedars are brutal, trapping bars like a bear claw. But this logger took down a legend. Now Asterisk, that's Asterisk, a true master at work.
Moving to fuel drum area.
She's pretty solid.
Taking down trees is not for the faint of heart or the untrained eye. It's a job that demands precision, skill, and nerves of steel.
Yeah, saw that coming.
Watching the Groeneveld Stronken killer in action is jaw-dropping. This stump shear performs like precision surgery, seamlessly removing stumps and backfilling without harming nearby pavement. It's a blend of brute force and grace, a masterpiece of Dutch engineering. Powerful, precise, and mesmerizing. Watching the lumberjack bring down the 200-year-old hollowed-out giant was breathtaking. Their skill in wrapping chains around the ancient trunk to prevent it from shattering showed true craftsmanship. Knowing the tree had died long before the saw touched it made the scene even more powerful. There's a certain respect owed to the raw skill and sheer muscle it takes to be a lumberjack. It's relentless, bone-crushing work, and dangerous beyond belief. Shout out to those fearless, iron-willed individuals who keep the timber industry moving. True warriors of the forest.
Fuck yeah.
Whoa, talk about conquering the elements. The Valtra Forestry tractor is absolutely dominating these wet, slippery conditions. With its rugged build and unmatched traction, it's cutting through the muck like a champ, showing off what true power and precision in forestry are all about. Check out this powerhouse forestry duo in Sweden. The Hypro 755 HB tractor, with its strong hydraulics and high-tech measuring system, handles timber effortlessly. Paired with the FG45 felling grapple, which cuts and moves massive trees with ease, they make forestry look smooth and lightning fast, like a perfectly synchronized machine in action. With oil and fuel prices soaring, the need for alternative energy is urgent. Enter wood chips as a power source, with Vermeer's WC2300 XL whole tree chipper leading the way. Featuring variable speed dual and feed conveyors and crush technology, it efficiently turns logs and debris into fuel. Easy maintenance and powerful performance make it a timely industry solution. I'm seriously blown away by how effortlessly that excavator yanked out that tree stump. The new Costa Stump puller splitters for 16 to 28-ton machines are absolute game changers, designed to tackle even the toughest woods like eucalyptus. Talk about power and precision in one incredible tool.
The Bell 8000 delivers unmatched power and precision with its 125 horsepower engine, perfect firewood, every cut. Cylindrical milling, typically done with a lathe, removes the sapwood and bark to shape a log into a smooth cylinder. While it looks great, this exposes the heartwood to the elements, leaving it prone to fungal decay and moisture damage. Sealing and finishing are crucial to protect the wood from these threats. This is a perfect example of how technology enhances traditional craft. While the CNC machine ensures precision, it's the artisan's design sensibility that truly stands out. The result is a cutting board that goes beyond function to become a piece of art.
That's it.
These aren't your average pickups. These heavy-duty trucks are built for the toughest terrain and heaviest loads, featuring an articulated design and powerful hydraulics. Watch as the operator skillfully unhitches the trailer, adjusts the bunks, and loads each log with precision, ensuring perfect weight distribution for safe transport. The maneuver was unexpected. The driver, upon repositioning the forklift, relied solely on the front tire treads for support. Such an action is feasible with a 3-axle trailer. However, a 2-axle trailer, with its limited stabilizing surface, would be susceptible to tipping at the front turntable. The driver exhibited considerable skill. Respect is due. Check out this 1947 Ford 2N. Tough, reliable, and ready to handle tough jobs. With a 4-cylinder engine pushing about 28 horsepower, it's perfect for pulling stumps or handling tough work. Its simple, rugged design makes it easy to operate and maintain. Just make sure your chain placement is correct and stay safe while working. Ready to pull stumps. Just mind your chain placement and stay safe.
Yay. Really tall trees too.
That back cut alone was a recipe for disaster. A proper face notch would have given him control, preventing the tree from barber chairing. And for crying out loud, never wrap the rope around your limbs. He's lucky that bucket didn't come crashing down. Amateurs need to remember, a wedge cut is essential for guiding the fall. This is why you leave it to the pros. The D6 Caterpillar bulldozer efficiently felled trees in Tanzania. Its chain system enhanced traction, enabling deeper penetration into the area slated for clearing. This bulldozer readily removes trees, shrubs, and clears the land. Follow its journey and share your thoughts in the comments. We're pitting the Stihl MS661 against the MS500 mod. The Stihl MS661 delivers 7.3 horsepower from a 91.1 cubic centimeter engine, supports 36-inch bars and weighs 7.4 kilograms, perfect for industrial logging. The lighter MS500 mod 6.2 kilograms offers 6.7 horsepower from a 79.2 cubic centimeter engine with electronic fuel injection, ensuring quick throttle response and efficiency with bars up to 32 inches. Choose the MS661 for raw power or the MS500ERI for agility and advanced tech. Whoa, that was a close one. Imagine this guy's out there in the woods cutting some serious logs and one of them comes loose and nearly takes him out. It really makes you think, you know? Safety gear, escape routes, planning ahead, it all matters big time. Lao Forest Service GmbH, experts in cable yarding timber on challenging terrain, recently deployed their 5th Senebogen 718E. This compact telescopic timber crane, now working at 1,600 meters in Austria's Pitztal Valley, excels in precision logging. Designed for rugged conditions, its powerful engine, 21-meter reach, and elevated cab make it ideal for efficient, safe operations in demanding environments. This Kenworth logging truck is a testament to engineering. Built for extreme conditions, it's the backbone of the timber industry. Let's not forget the skilled drivers who operate these machines. They're the unsung heroes of our supply chain.
How far have you gone now?
Wow. In a minute, aren't you?
God.
I want that to go. That only went. I reckon that's close now.
None skidding and checking of large pine trees on TDT 55 ensures efficient transportation of timber.
Иди! А? Наша помощница. А? Вот так. Собака все с нами, везде с нами, молодец.
Using powerful machinery like skidders and cable systems, TDT 55 handles trees up to 50 centimeters in diameter and 10 meters long, while maintaining safety and minimizing environmental impact.
Два коляна. Вот. Ломать. Но он еще одну хочет засушить. О, тут еще корявая такая.
This Rotney H11D harvester, equipped with the LogMax 5000D head, is a beast. Engineered for demanding logging operations, it boasts a powerful diesel engine and a precise hydraulic system. With a 70-centimeter cutting capacity, this machine delivers exceptional performance and efficiency in even the toughest conditions. The 5000D head ensures accurate and rapid cuts, maximizing productivity on large-scale projects. The KX057 might struggle with a tough stump, but the Frost Ripper changes the game. Engineered for precision, it doesn't just rip, it grabs and tears roots strategically. Power meets efficiency. Have you ever attempted to fell a tree? It's an unpredictable experience. You can prepare all the strategies you like, but at the end of the day, that tree will have its own way of falling. Seems like Mother Nature always has the final say, doesn't she? This sawmill boasts a remarkable cutting capacity, effortlessly handling approximately 20 cubes of diverse wood varieties. Its user-friendly design ensures ease of operation, even for novice users. With proper safety precautions, this tool empowers homeowners to tackle a wide range of woodworking projects, particularly in scenarios where lumber resources are readily available. Handling a large silver maple like this isn't easy. It's essential to have a professional team with the necessary equipment, including cranes, chippers, and everything else required for the job. Safety is the top priority, and these experts have the knowledge and skills to do it correctly. These are not just any spruce logs. These are carefully selected instrument-grade pieces, over 60 centimeters in diameter, sourced from elevations above 1,000 meters, with straight grains and no imperfections. After harvesting, they are sectioned and air-dried for months to achieve optimal tonal quality. Have you ever imagined what it must be like from the perspective of the wagon crane operators? Watch this video to get a glimpse. The BRAC T26.B is a robust dual-disc trencher for 16 to 20-ton machines, featuring 1,400 millimeter discs with replaceable teeth. It operates at 140 bar with a 100 liter per minute hydraulic flow and uses a PLC control system with 8 customizable programs. Perfect for rough terrain, it creates ideal planting spots and supports optional add-ons like the BRAC ES 35.A seeder and extra oil cooling.
Wow, it's downright wild to watch these heroes battle raging fires. The danger is real, but sometimes it's the only way to stop a wildfire in its tracks. I gotta say, the logger absolutely nailed it. His skills are top-notch. But that cameraman, standing right in the tree's falling zone while the cut's happening? Yikes. Maybe I'm being too harsh, but what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, folks. Wow, that's a magnificent oak. Felling a tree of that size requires years of experience and precision. Let's see how the Stihl MS 661C handles this challenging cut. Well. Looks like the timber truck just met its match. That steep incline was no joke, and it shut it down cold. Couldn't quite power through that challenge. What a showdown. Oh man, talk about a tough break. The truck just couldn't hack it on that steep hill, even with some help. Now it's completely stuck, bogged down in the mud like it's never going to move again. What a disaster. Oh my gosh, that's downright terrifying. Hauling timber? That's no joke. Seriously tough and risky work. You can feel the danger in the air with every move they make.
It was a good saw frame that had excellent performance, offering precision and efficiency in various cutting tasks. However, its performance also heavily depended on maintaining a relatively high speed to operate optimally. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. The Senebogen 735E exemplifies operational efficiency. Its strategic integration into the Pfeiffer Group's workflow, akin to a crucial chess move, optimizes seemingly mundane tasks, ultimately maximizing productivity. Heavy machinery captivates with its raw power and precision, a true testament to engineering brilliance. Take this circle crane. Its design, operation, and immense capacity showcase the marvels of human ingenuity. Meber VTZ 1400 Plus redefines wood processing with its 56-inch blade, 19-degree tilt, and powerful hydraulic system, delivering precision and smooth operation on any log. That was a narrow escape, no doubt about it. Just goes to show, You can't underestimate a tree, right? The Rayco RG80 revolutionizes land clearing with its high-torque engine and precision cutting head, tackling even the toughest stumps with ease. Expect minimal ground disturbance and maximum efficiency, a true engineering marvel. Check out that root ball. Talk about a comeback story. This plant's got some serious resilience, and it's ready to rock.
Olay!
Pretty cool.
Witness the 1270G in action, surgical precision in the forest. With the H4 2.5 processor, it maximizes yield while protecting the environment, redefining sustainable forestry through cutting-edge engineering. Ever wondered what it's like to be a logger? Join us in the forests of British Columbia, where you'll feel the adrenaline as powerful machines roar to life. Hear the satisfying crunch of trees falling, and watch as loggers create trails and gear up for some epic cable skidding action. Check out this dude. He's got skills, but that tree, total wild card. Anything could happen. The Ponce Scorpion is an advanced forest machine designed for efficient harvesting, especially of larger trees. Equipped with an intelligent stabilization system, it ensures stability during both static and dynamic operations. Powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine, delivering up to 210 kilowatts. The unique C50 crane provides excellent visibility and a reach of up to 11 meters for precise control,